What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are baking brownies, and we already have the brownie mix into a white bowl. So yeah, you're gonna want to put in. Wait, which one are we making? First, you're gonna want to put in 1/4 cup of water, and then 1/2 cup of oil. We need a whisk. Or did you already get the whisk out? And then whisk.
No, don't whisk.
Don't whisk yet. You need eggs. Freaking oof. Then you want to add 2 eggs into your brownie mix. And then we whisk, right? And then you want to whisk it all up.
Use the whole dozen eggs that you just bought.
On top of that, yeah. Yeah, you could do it. Oh my gosh! So, that was a lot of powder. These are the instructions. This is box brownie. That's... My mom got brownie mix. That has eggs and everything in it, too. Well, good thing you're taking a shower after dinner. This helps a lot. Is that gonna stain your shirt? Okay. Then you want to mix it until it doesn't have bumps in it with your whisk or your brownie mixer. But we're using a whisk, so. We're actually making dinner right now, and while we're baking brownies, so we're prepared. Now we are going to get a container. Which one is it? It's this one. Hold on, let me grab it. Okay, we're using a bigger pan because, yeah, we're just going to use a bigger pan this time. The other one is dirty, so. If you use a bigger pan, your brownies might come out thinner. Like thinner instead of thicker, this way.
That's the only other one that was there.
The other one was silver and it wasn't a brownie pan.
You have to grease the bottom.
Ooh. Canola oil, cooking spray. I shake this one. I don't want to make it explode.
Yeah, and then spray. That's enough. Don't get it all over the vegetables.
Yeah, you should probably move those. Then you want to spray it with your canola oil, or whatever oil you have. Oh my gosh, on the camera it looks like it's freaking foggy, like smoking, like the pan is smoking, but it's not. Or is it the container? Nope, it's actually the container, not the container of this, but. Would you like me to, like, I don't know. Now what you want to do is you want to put all of your brownie mix into your pan. This is really satisfying. Okay, so this is going to turn out really thin because of how big our pan is. So if you're going to use like this kind of pan, then you probably want to get at least 2 boxes of brownie mix. Unless if you're going to use a smaller pan, then one should do. Shake it to even it out. Ooh, hold on.
It's not even going into the corners.
It's not going into the corners of the pan, so we're not about to screw this up.
I think we should get 1 or 2.
I think we should get 2 more, only because this is really thin. I think we're going to run down the store and get 1 or 2 more boxes of brownie mix, because this is not getting into the corners of the pan. Which means they are going to, like, crumple up and die, so. And because we forgot chips, and we bought, like, 2 boxes of dip, so, I mean, now we're going to run down to the store real quick and get some chips and stuff. Now we're going down into the car. I have the flashlight on, so I don't think I should look directly at the camera, but I'm going to. Now I'm blind. But now we gotta run all the way to the store. Get 2 more, like 1 or 2 more boxes of brownie mix. Some pretzels. I almost opened up someone else's freaking car because they took our spot, so now we had to park somewhere else. But, yeah. So, we have to run down to the store now. I mean, and now I'm in the car. The car. already got the next powder put in here. We did get 2 boxes just in case.
Yeah, which means now I gotta buy more eggs tomorrow. I didn't want to have to go to the store. I completely forgot about that.
That's true. I've never one-handedly cracked an egg.
Here, put barbecue sauce on it.
Then you just want to repeat your steps and put your eggs, your water, and your oil in with your powder, and then whisk it until it's not bumpy anymore. And then it'll look like this. I don't know how you do it. I don't know. Oh, put it in the pan now. If you now made the mistake we did, then smoothen it out. Or smooth it out anyways. Oof. Now, we're putting the brownies in the oven. And then that's the chicken nuggets that we were having for dinner. Then set the oven for 28 minutes. And we'll see whenever it's done. Now we are checking on the brownies. They look like they're done. I don't have to put them in longer because, yeah, we put 2 boxes in. So you're gonna want your time by 2. We put them in for like 40 minutes. Holy oof. Yeah. And they are done. Me? Move out the way? Or move the pan? Oh. What? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. No, we can't cut it yet.
You can't cut it until it cools down.
Yeah. No. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see us cook next. And peace out.